Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss a mathematics paper for O levels for October-November 2023, P2. This is paper 2, and let's start this question number 1. Idris repairs computers. This is how he calculates the charge for a repair. The strategy for the charge for repair is $56 for first hours and then $12.25 for each additional 15 minutes. So work out the amount the Idris charges for a repair that takes him 2 hours. So repair charges is equal to, for first hour, this is $56, and for second hours the charge rate is $12.25 for every 15 minutes, and for 1 hour in the first hour and the second hour. So this is second hour, 60 minutes, so we'll multiply this with 60 minutes, and this minute will cancel with this minute, and it's on solving we get this $49 in the second hour, and with the addition of this 56 and 49, the total charges for the repair is $105. Idris charges $166.25 for another repair. So he starts work on the repair at 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. Find the time when he completes the repair. So the total charges is $166.25 as given, and for the first hour the rate is $56. So here the rate is $56, and for subsequent hour charges is 12.25 per 15 minutes into time. So this is 166.25 minus 56 divided by this 12.25 15 minutes, and we have this with simplification we have this 9 intervals of 15 minutes, so that is 135 minutes. So it will take this time is 135 minutes. So 135 minutes is basically 2 hours and 15 minutes divided by 60. So we will have 2 hours, and 120 minutes is 2 hours, and the remaining 15 minutes is this. So the time he completes the repair will be this 1 hour. It should also be added. So this is 3. This is not 2, but this is because this 1 hour is also included, the first hour charge, which is missing here. So we will include it also. So this becomes 3 hours and 15 minutes plus 1. So he starts at 2:30. So he will complete it by 5:45 because 1 hour is added here because of this 56. So this is missing here. So this is 3 hours and 15 minutes total time that we take. This is the time for the subsequent hours. So 2 hours and 15 minutes is for the subsequent hours for this delta t. Delta is small t, change in time for this interval for the subsequent hours, and for the first hour should also be added here. So this is 3 hours and 15 minutes. So we will add it 3 hours and 15 minutes, and the result will be 5:45 p.m. So this should be correct. 5. Idris invest $6,200 in an account paying compound interest at a rate of 1.7% per year. So his amount is $6,200 and an account compound interest at a rate of 1.7% per year. The rate of interest is 1.7% per year. To calculate the total amount of interest, so we have to find the total amount of interest earned at the end of 4 years. So the amount, and this is principal amount invested, this is rate of interest per year, and this n is number of years. So here we have 4 years, so small n is 4. Rate of interest is 1.7%, so 1.7 divided by 100, which is 0.017, and on simplification we have obtained this value. This is a amount after 4 years. This is the amount after 4 years, and we will subtract the principal from this total amount earned after 4 years, so that will be the interest. So on solving we have obtained this 432.47. so the amount of interest that the Idris received is $432.47. This is a very important question. See, the exchange rate between dollars and euros is $1 is equivalent to 0.84 euros. Idris buys some equipment from a website that charges in euros. The equipment cost is 760 euros. Idris must pay 2.5% tax on this cost. Work out the amount the Idris pays for the equipment, including tax. Give your answer in dollars. So we have given $1 is equal to 0.84 euros. Total payment has to be calculated. Total payment is equal to Idris pays this much. This is the amount, and this is the interest tax. This is the tax 2.5%. This is 2.5% tax. This is principal 100%. So 2.5%, 100%. We divide by 100, so make it a unity. So this is 760 is multiplied with this one. So this is the amount that he paid in euros for the cost of this equipment up till here. Now the amount is given in euros, so we will convert it with this unity relation. $1 is equivalent to euros. So if we place $1 in the numerator and euros in the denominator, this is basically scaling factor. This euro will cancel with this euro term, and we will get the answer in dollars, which is required. So on simplification of this figures, we will get this $927.38. So this part C, he buys the equipment with including tax in dollars is $927.38. Question number 2. Find the size of one interior angle of a regular 15-sided polygon. So the interior angle of n-sided regular polygon, each angle of n-sided regular polygon is n minus 2 180 divided by n. Now that there are 15 sided polygon. So for 15 sided polygon, n is equal to 15. So in place of 15 we will place this 15. So for one interior angle, this is for one interior angle. So 15 minus 2 divided by 15 into 180 is equal to 156 angle. So this is 156. Now in part 2, we have given this polygon, 15 sided polygon, and we have calculated the interior angle, which is 156 here. So this is 156, and this we have to calculate this x angle. This diagram part shows up the regular 15 sided polygon and find the value of this x, this angle x. So in total triangle, 180 degree, for every triangle has a 180 degree. So this is 156, and this side length and this side lengths are equal. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So this angle, remaining angle, is 180 degree minus 156 is equal to 24. So the remaining angle, this angle will be 12 and this will be 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. So plus 156 is equal to 180. So the remaining angle of these two angles after this 156 is 24, and each will be divided here, 12 degree and 12 degree. So this angle is 12 degree. So, and we know that this interior angle is also 156. So from 156 we will subtract this 12 degree and we will get the answer here, 144. So the value of this x angle is 144 angle. This is very, very important and very easy. Now in part B, we have a circle and there is a line. This is diameter. This A and B is passing through this origin. A, B, C and D are the points on the circle, and AB is the diameter of the circle. Angle BAC is 24 degree. Find A, D and C. So we have to find this angle. Give reason for each step of your work. ACB is 90 degree because of the properties. If the diameter is passing through this line, then the remaining triangle will always be, if this line goes through this, then this will again be around 90 degrees. So this angle will always be 90 degrees. This is a property of a circle with a inscribed triangle in a semicircle. So it will always have a 90 degree. So this is the property of the triangle. And ABC, so this is 90 degrees, so the remaining angle is 90 minus 24 is 66 degrees. So this A, B and C angle, this angle is 66 degree. And now A, D, C and A, B and C, this angle and this angle is always 180 because they are opposite supplementary angles. So if this is the addition of these two angles is 180 degree, so we will subtract ABC, this angle, from this total 180. So we have already ABC has calculated 66, so we will subtract 180 minus ABC and we will get this ADC angle, which is 144. It's 124. So this is not correct. 114, sorry. This is 114. This is not 44. This is 1. And then mistakenly 144. I brought down it. 114. This is 114. So this angle is 114. So this is 114. This is 114. Now part question number 3. Layla asked a group of people what type of exercise they prefer. The results are shown in the pie chart. Yoga, running, cycling and others. So 90 people prefer running. So this 90 people prefer running. So calculate the total number of people Layla asked. So this whole circle is the group of people for which the Layla interviewed or asked about their preference. So if this part is 135 angle is corresponding to 90 people, then this total people is considered x is equal to 360 degree. So 90 upon x is equal to 135 upon 360 degree. So this is directly proportional. If running corresponding to 135 degree, the whole circuit corresponding to 360 degree. So x is obtained as 240 people. So this is 240 people. Total 240 people have been asked for their preference. So question number 2, work out the fraction of the group who prefers yoga. So yoga is we have to find the angle of this yoga in this total circle. This is 90, this is 135, this is 60 degree. So we add all these and subtract from 360, we'll get this yoga contribution in terms of degree. So yoga is equal to 360 minus 60 plus 90 plus 135. So this is 360 minus 285 is equal to 75 degree. So the fraction of people prefer yoga is 75 degree upon 360, and this is 5 upon 24. So this is question number 3A part 2. Now Layla records the group number of steps she walked each day for 60 days. So the table shows the result for 5 to 8,000, 5,000 to 8,000 for 9 days. She walks for this range for 9 days, and for 8,000 to 10,000, because this is 1,000, so for 16 days, and for 10,000 to 12,000 for 14 days, and 12,000 to 15,000 for 15 days, and 15,000 to 20,000 for 6 days. So this is the recording of the Layla walking number of steps. Now the first part, complete the histogram to represent the data. So for this data, we are representing this histogram. So in a histogram, we actually describe the frequency density against the number of values or steps. So for 5 to 8, this is 9. So this class width is 3. So class width is 3. So we will divide this 9 with 3. So we'll get 3. So in the first step, thus this 3 step is 3,000 steps is used for 3,000 steps for this frequency density, this 3. So we will divide this frequency by this class width. In the next, this is 10 minus 2 is 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So in the next step, we draw this 8 for this 8 to 10, band or range for 10 to 12 is 14, so 14 divided by 2 is 7. So for 10 to 12 the range is 7. For 10 to 12 this is 7. For 12 to 15 this is 3. 15 divided by 3 will get 5 at 5. 12 to 15 this is 5. And for 15 to 20 the number of steps is 5000 or 5, so 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. So for 15 to 16 this is 1 and this is 1.2, so 1.2. So this is the histogram that is required. And now find Laila has target 11,000 steps every day. She is targeting 11,000 steps walk for every day. Find an estimate for the percentage of these 60 days that Laila met her target. So area after 11,000 steps divide by total area. So the area after 11,000 steps. So this is 11,000 steps. So after this band, this here we have segregation line here place, and this is what she wants to do, but due to some reasons she cannot walk more than 11,000 in this range. So we will calculate the band she covers, 11,000 divided by this total area. So for this we have to, for this area, this area, this area. So for the numerator we are taking this area for this and this area. So for 11 to 12 is 1 into 7. So 1 into 7 is this one. For this this is 5 into 3, 15 minus 12, and this is 5. So 3 into 5, and for this is 1.2 into 5. 1.2 into 5, and this is total area is 60. Total area is 60. So we will divide this and multiply with this 100. So 5 into, this is 7, this is 15, this is 6. So 15 and 6 is the whole number. So this is easily seen here, 15 and 6, and this is basically the section half. So that's why this 14 is representing only the 7th part. So we will add this and divide by this. Total area is 60. This total frequency is 60 multiplied by this 100. So this gives 46.66%. So this is the answer. So she meets the target for 46%, and she did not meet the target for 53.33%. Now question number 4. 5x plus 6 is equal to 3x, and so we have to solve it. So we can rearrange it here, 3x on the left hand side and 6 on the right. So 3x minus 3x, and this 6 becomes minus 6. So this is 2x is minus 6, x is equal to minus 3. In a B part, the mass of a plum in n grams, the mass of an apple is twice the mass of plum. So mass of the plum is n grams, mass of the apple is twice the mass of the plums. This becomes 2n. The mass of banana is 50 grams more than the mass of the apple. So mass of the apple is n plus 2n plus 50 is the mass of the banana. So mass of apple is 10 gram, mass of apple is twice the mass of plum, and the mass of banana is 50 grams more than the mass of the apple. So 2n plus 50 grams. So these are the three masses: MP, MA, P for plum, A for apple, and B for banana, is equal to 450 grams. The total mass of the plum, apple, and banana is 450 grams. Form an equation in n and solve it to find the mass of the plum. So this is n plus 2n plus 2n plus 50 is equal to 450. So this is 5n plus 50 is equal to 450, and 5n is equal to 400, n is equal to 80 grams. So this 80 grams is n value. The value of n is 80 grams. Solve by factorization. X square minus 4x minus 21. So we will multiply this 21 with this minus 1. So minus 21 will be the output and product, and we have to divide the minus 21 in such a way that we gets minus 4 when we add and gets minus 21 when we multiply. So the term is minus 7 and 3. So minus 7 plus 3 is always gives minus 4, and the multiplication of this minus 7 with 3 is minus 21. So this is minus 7. So break the middle term, minus 7 plus 3x, and take the x common here, x minus 7, 3 here, and x minus 7. So x minus 7, x plus 3, and x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 0 means x is equal to 7, or x plus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is minus 3 or 7. Question number 5. A bag contains 40 balls. There are total 40 balls, and 28 of the balls are red balls are 28, and the rest are green. So from 40 we subtract this 28, and this is total green balls. Aisha takes a ball from the bag at random and note its color and replace it. Find the probability that this ball is green. So this is the tree of this bag. So red and green. For the probability of red is 28 upon 40, and for the probability of green is 12 upon 40. So probability of green is 12 upon 40, or 3 upon 10, or 12 upon 40 can also be written down here. Aisha repeats this 200 times, this experiment 200 times. Work out the number of times he expects to take a green ball. So the number of trials she takes is 200, so multiply with this probability, we get this 60. So the estimated number of times she may gets green is 60 times out of this 200 trials. A bag contains 9 blue balls and 7 yellow balls. Sergio takes 2 balls from the bag at random without replacement. 2 balls without replacement, blue and yellow. So this is complete the tree diagram. So for these blue balls, the probability is 9 divided by total is 16, and for yellow this is 7 upon 16. So we have write down this 7 upon 16 here, and after taking the one ball is this, the blue, the other blue ball will be one less than this, and the total is also less, so 8 upon 15. Since no yellow ball is taken, so the yellow number of balls are again 7, but the one ball is left, so remaining 15 balls left. So this yellow second balls, if yellow is, the probability will be 7 upon 15. Now for if the first ball is yellow, then the second blue ball will, the number of blue ball is still 9, but the total number of balls is now 15 for a second try. So 9 upon 15 is for blue ball probability, and for yellow ball if one yellow ball is taken, then one yellow ball will be reduced. So this is 7 minus 1 is 16 of 6, and total number of balls also 1 reduced, so 6 upon 15. So we have write down this, completed this tree diagram as asked in this B part. Now find the probability that two balls are the same color. So the probability of blue and blue is 9 upon 16 and 8 upon 15. So this is the blue probability, and for yellow probability is 7 upon 16 and 6 upon 15. So we multiply this on simplification. We have obtained 114 divided by 240. We can write down this value as well, but on simplification we have obtained 19 upon 40. Now question number 6, complete the table for y is equal to 4 power x upon 10. So for x is equal to 0, this becomes 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 means the value of y will be 0.1. So we have completed this table, and draw the graph for y is equal to 4 power x upon 10 for the range of 0 to 3. So for 0 to 3, for 0.1 is this value. Now 0.5, 0.2, this is 0.5, and this is 0.2, 0.5 comma 0.2, 1 comma 0.4, this is 1 comma 0.4, this is 0.4, this is 1. 1.5 comma 0.8, 1.5 comma 0.8, 2 comma 1.6, 2.5 comma 3.2, 2.5 comma 3.2, and 3 comma 6.4. Now we have drawn this curve, completed it. Now we have drawn this graph, and use your graph to solve the equation 4 power x divided by 10 is equal to 5. So we draw a line at 5, y is equal to 5. At y is equal to 5, we will read the value of x. This is 5. At 5, we will read the value of x, which is 2.6 or 2.75. This is 2.6. This is 2.75, 2.8, 2.9, and then 3. So this is 2.8. Value of x is 2.8. By drawing a tangent, estimate the gradient. Y is equal to 4 power x divided by 10. So when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, we have drawn a tangent here, and we will read the value for the slope. This is the change in x from 1.5 to 2.5, and this change in y is from 0.5 to 2.5. So 2.5 minus 0.5 is a change in y, and change in x is 2.5 to 1.5. So this is 2 upon 1 is 2. So this gradient is 2. In a B part, we have given this graph y and x. This is crossing point 2 and point 5, and this is a parabolic graph. So we can write this sketch of graph y is equal to x square plus ax plus b. And since this is the minimum is here, and it is open and is rising upward, so this coefficient of x square is positive. So so we will take x minus 2 and x minus 5 where the value of y is 0. So y is equal to, from graph we can read x minus 2 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is y is equal to x into open it, and x y is equal to x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. So y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. So when we compare this x square minus 7x plus 10 with this x square plus ax plus b, this is a, which is a minus 7, and this is b is 10. So this is the part of question number 6b. Now we will discuss the remaining part from question number 7 to the end in the next video.